My name is Henry Mace. I'm a director at S&H Steel Frames. We design, fabricate and erect structural steelwork. We chose the Katava machine after looking at some of their competitors. We were really surprised at the quality of the Katava machine and how it held up to the competition, and also really pleased with the price they offered us for the machine itself. We felt it was really competitive. We felt that the bigger hypertherm unit we've got on this machine gives us a much better product than we were having previously on the ESCO machine. It's handling the volume so far that we're putting onto it really well. Our previous ESCO water-cooled table managed to pay itself off within 6 months, and we're expecting our new Katava table to do the same. The guys in the office can just send their DXF file straight down. The guys can load it in, run the nests on the package next to the plate cutter, and then they can run it. Having a machine on site for us has saved us so much time and turning around jobs and being more responsive for our customers. We're finding jobs can be detailed in the drawing office and then sent down pretty much the same day, and we can begin processing steelwork immediately. With the buyback scheme with Katava, we'd written off financially the machine we had previously. Katava asked us to take some pictures of our existing table, and we were really surprised by the price they offered us for the machine. They appreciated that we couldn't be left without a cutting table for weeks and weeks at a time. Once the new table was ready, they arranged transport the day before for us to disconnect and dismantle and load the old machine onto the transport, and then the new one arrived the next day with the engineers to install it. We'd really recommend Katava to other people. We've been really happy with the support and the product we've had, and we're really looking forward to seeing what it can do for us in the future.